get no rest. No, no, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no, this ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more.
Hi guys, welcome back. Look what we got for Christmas. I want to tell you a little story about this. This is the 00 Robotics V-COPTER FALCON. Back in 2019 at the CES, they launched this V-COPTER FALCON, and I think I just kind of stumbled along online there. A pre-order they had for 2 weeks in December of 2019. I remember placing an order, placing a pre-order with a deposit of $100 on December the 24th, 2019. And then in 2020, we got hit with the COVID, and upon contacting 00 Robotics, they had suspended the production of the V-COPTER FALCON based on the COVID-19. Anyways, months went by. I couldn't get a hold of them. I did approach a couple of people on YouTube and asked if they knew anything or how I could get a hold of them. And I'm not sure which one had listened to me, but within a week period there, I received an email stating that I could pay the balance owing on this. And at the time that they were offering this, it was $9.99 US, but for the pre-order for 2 weeks, they were offering $100 deposit and the balance of $5.99 when it was ready to ship. Well, a lot of people had done the same as me. They had put down their $100, and within a year, I heard lots of them canceling their orders. Anyways, I decided to stick it out. And anyways, getting back to them contacting me, this year, I paid that $5.99. I think it was October the 1st. And after I had paid it, within a week there, I hadn't heard anything from them and was curious as to when this was going to ship. They did respond to me in an email and informed me that it would be anywhere from 1 month to 3 months before it would be shipped. Well, they were pretty accurate because I paid for this on October the 1st and I received this yesterday, which was December the 27th. Anyways, we're going to unbox this thing and take a look at it and get her charged up and do any updates that we need to get done on it, and hopefully in the next week we're gonna have a flight for you. Anyways, let's unbox this. Okay, here's a little message here about completely press and hold the arm buttons while folding and unfolding the arms. Okay, so all right guys, this looks like it. This is it. Looks like there's some a little booklet here. We may have to read instructions. I don't normally read instructions, but this is something totally new. Okay guys, there it is. There it is. The V-COPTER Falcon. Okay, we got some stickers on there. Let's okay. Okay. Wow, the props look pretty big. Okay, now it looks like they're talking about these buttons here on the side here. Let's see if we can pop off this gimbal. Okay, you squeeze on the side and it just pops off. That's pretty simple. Okay, and there's the camera, guys. 1/2-inch sensor. Okay, now we're going to squeeze the two sides and see if we can't put the arm up. Okay, and the other one. Okay, that's okay, I don't know. It seems like that should go. Seems like they should go up higher. I'm not sure. And it looks like it's all the way over. Okay. And the arms, you know, these just go up. And I guess you would spread these. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That's quite a spread. That's quite a spread for the props. Wow. Wow. Okay, so let's press the button in. Okay, that arm went down. This is going to take some getting used to. Okay, I'll press the other one in. And there we go. There we go. All right. Okay, and I guess this is the battery. It's supposed to have a 50-minute flight time, which we'll see. And how does the battery come out? Okay, so you have to pull back. You'll see the red. And there's the battery. There's the battery. It's pretty heavy compared to the drone. The drone is very, very light. The battery is heavy. Okay. Let's stick that back in. Okay, that seems to lock in place pretty good. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside because I think tonight we're going to put her on the charger. Let's put this case now underneath here. Underneath here we have some other goodies. We have a couple of extra props. We have a screwdriver and some tiny screws. I'm not sure what they're for. These props here, oh, it looks like they may have to get screwed on. I really don't like that idea, but that's what it's looking like to me. Okay, here's the charger for the battery. We're going to take that out because we're going to need it. There's the power cord for the charger. And this looks like it's the landing legs for the drone, and how would that fit on there? And this looks like probably a charging cable, and it is, and it looks like a USB-C to a regular USB. So I imagine this is going to go into here. And I imagine this will be to charge up the controller. And this here will be to charge up the battery. So let's put that aside. So that's all there seems to be in this box. Now another unusual thing is they've actually sent the controller in a box of its own. And this controller is called the blast-off controller. So let's open up that and let's take a look and see what we get in here. Okay, again, you're got a little manual here. Let's take a look. Put that aside. Okay. Okay, and there's the controller. Okay, let's see. So we have this, will be for your cell phone. I see. Oh, it swings right around. And then I guess you put your cell phone in here. This would stretch out. There's your antennas. And where are the sticks? Oh, and here are the sticks. So the sticks are very loose in here, so I'd be careful of that. I'm not sure. I may have to look and see if I can get a case for all of this. Okay. The other stick. Okay. You know, this feels good in the hands. It's very much like the new controller for the Mini 2 and the Air 2 and new Mavic 3. It's pretty much that same feel. It's got nice little grips on here. Lots of buttons. I've got a button here, a dial here. Looks like camera, video here, picture taking here. Looks like a return to home button, and then a stop button. Anyways, guys, that's what you get in the package there for the V-COPTER Falcon. We've stuck the battery and the controller on the charger, and as you can see, she's all charged up. I appreciate everybody watching. I know it was a long video, but hopefully it was enjoyable, and we showed you what you're going to get with the V-COPTER. Anyways, hope to see you back here for our first flight, and we'll catch you in the next one.